Write the book for me. I'm his wife. Any problem? Funny. What do you mean by your son's wife? That's impossible because I am engaged to son.
You engaged to him? I said I'm his wife. Or you don't get it, huh? Husband snatcher. Will you leave here before I tell you apart?
What is it? What's going on here?
Nonsense.
Oh, Sam. How are you? Can you imagine this riffraff pouring insult on me?
You came all the way from the house to my house to call my wife a riffraff. Huh? But then what are you doing in my house?
What is the meaning of this, Sam? What is this? Stop.
Madam, what is the matter?
How dare you? Can't get out of here! Get out! You fool! So this is your game, huh?
Leave my house! Leave my house.
This is your game, Sam. You are a fraudster.
Leave my
I'll
house!
come up to you.
Stay off.
Now get into the car and take me.
I'm counting up to 2. 1. 1. Fuck you, man! This is me, Foxy for you, man. 50 grand, $50 US. Damn, man. I drink Coco. Look at you, babe. Never sting up on my life, you hear me? When you're 9, you got to be called. Fool, leave! Catch me in London. Let's go, baby.
Good day, sir.
Good day. Sit down. The commissioner says you are the investigating officer.
Yes, sir. I'm Superintendent Joe from the CID department.
Thank you. So how far?
Well,
Hello, Daddy.
Hello. This is my daughter, Joan. Joan, that is the officer investigating the case.
good day, madam.
Yeah. Have you caught that criminal?
In fact, that was what exactly I was about to tell you, that the guy has traveled to London. And it was arranged before the crime was committed.
Oh, no, no.
Cool down. Calm
No,
down.
Daddy.
Calm down.
He can't get away with this, Daddy. He must be caught.
Officer, I want this case transferred to the Interpol as soon as possible.
All right.
The guy must be smoked out and punished immediately.
All right, sir. We'll do our best.
Okay, do.
Calm down, madam. Calm down. Sir, I must be going.
Okay. My regards to the commissioner.
Thank you, sir.
No, Daddy.
Cool it. I know they are doing their best.
Mike. What is it? Nothing. And you are crying.
Okay. I know why I'm crying.
Mike, I've told you several times to stop thinking about this. Mike. Look. Why are you refusing to listen to what I've been telling you?
I'm not thinking about anybody. I said I know why I'm crying. I'm not thinking about anybody.
I know the reason why you're crying. Mike, free your mind, okay?
Madam, today you're looking so beautiful.
And when did you start this? Huh? When did you start all this? Tell me before I slap you. Stupid, useless driver. Now get away!
problem? Oh, you can't do this to me. You're in a very good mood in the morning, but why this sudden change?
Joan.
Benny, what's going on?
I don't know. Joan. Come on, baby girl. What is it?
You know, she was in a very good mood in the morning, but I don't know why this sudden change.
Joan.
John. No, we are the only people you can talk to. Please.
Joan. Come on, tell us something.
Joan.
Oh. Benny, I am not happy.
Why not happy? Why?
I'm not happy at all. Why are all these things happening to me? Look, that is rubbish. Look, the honest truth is that you've not met your man, period.
That's all.
Oh. Joan. When will that happen?
No, it's time, Joan. It's time. No, where are you rushing to? There are more men around. They'll come at their own time. You are not old.
I am rich.
Well educated. Fine. And what's the problem now?
So what are the good ones waiting for?
Oh, there are more men around. No, where are you rushing to?
Joan, calm down, eh? Forget the past and let's look into the future with hope, okay?
That's all. Please. Let's enjoy it. Please.
There's always a last time.
Yeah, come on, calm down. Let's play tennis. Fast!
I'll come back. Okay. Yes, when you finish everything and I send the container, I'll come.
Okay. Okay. Alaji, when are you going back to Paris?
King, I want to go to Paris today. Tomorrow, every day I want to be in Paris. In fact, Paris is a beautiful place for me. Wallahi.
That is why you look so fresh. That is why they call it the city of fashions.
Yes, yeah. Anyway, how is your daughter, Joan?
She's pretty fine. She's looking good.
I learned that naughty boy Sam duped and ran away.
You heard right. And I have handed him over to the Interpol. They will smoke him out.
Kai!
He can run, but he can't hide.
How can someone treat that beautiful angel that way? Wallahi, that boy is crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy.
And he will regret the day he was born.
No, that boy must suffer for this.
He will definitely suffer for it.
In fact, Ken, I have something to say. Something to say.
What have you to say?
You see, you are my very good friend.
Sure.
We've known each other for so many years, over 20 years.
For precisely 21 years.
Very good. So give me your daughter, Joan, to marry. That's all. Simple.
Joan. But, Alaji, you know, in these modern days, one does not marry for his daughter. You make the necessary approach, and when she agrees, I give my blessing.
Oh.
As far as you, Alaji, is concerned.
Thank you very much. You have spoken well, Wallahi.
You like that,
I like that. You have spoken very well.
Okay.
I will do that. When I come back, you see me.
Do your homework well.
Don't worry.
And you bring plenty of things.
Money with Alaji, no problem at all.
Yes. I trust you. Alaji.
You will see me.
Okay.
When I come back, you see me.
Okay.
Hey,
Alaji.
My greetings to Joan, eh?
Okay.
Good morning, ma. I'm told you want to see me.
Mr. Adams, I came to your desk this morning and you were not at post.
I'm sorry, ma. Something urgent took me out of the office.
This is the third time this week.
I'm sorry, ma. It was very urgent and I had to go.
Do you know, Mr. Adams, as a production manager, it is your duty to make sure that every product that comes out of the foundry is of standard?
Yes, ma. And I've been doing just that for the past 25 years.
Spare me the history. Did you tell anybody to deputize for you?
No, ma. No, ma.
Well, Mr. Adams, you are fired.
Oh, Miss Brown, you can't do that. Please don't do that to me. I beg you. Please.
I've already done that. You're fired. Now get out of my office. Get out! Oh. Out! And come next week for entitlements.
I could be mean, I could be strict. Some people probably think
Security.
I'm insane.
Yeah, Mr. Adams is fired.
They think it's all
Make sure
a
he's
game
out of the
and I
compound.
should play.